Are you the one who is taking ghee as the culprit for your fat, for your cholesterol, for your diabetes, or anything you feel that ghee is the culprit? Or you are on the other side, which think that ghee is should be there always in your diet. So there is a lot of confusion. And Ayurveda says that ghee is a medicine. Ghee is something which everybody should take. Ghee is a amrit. So in this scenario, there is just so much confusion with the modern medicine, with the Ayurveda. Let us talk about it. And about me, I am Dr. Meenakshi Joshi, and I'm a consultant in Ayurveda in practice since last 35 years. And with this channel, I'm trying to make Ayurveda knowledge um, applicable or in reach of everybody who want to know the real facts and who want to listen from the experts of the field. So let's talk about ghee now. Ghee in Ayurveda is understood as amrita because it directly nourishes your ojas. If you are not a student of Ayurveda, or if you don't understand what is ojas, you can understand it as a um, uh, end product of the digestive process, not system, right? So it's an end product of digestive process, and it is the a result you see in your body when you eat healthy, when you are healthy, when your lifestyle is good. The results you want to see in yourself with the immunity, with a good aura, with a good reflection of yourself, with an active mind, you can think that ojas is good. So, according to Ayurveda, ghee directly nourishes your ojas. And what does it mean? It means it's really, really good for your skin. Of course, the seven dhatus, but it just nourishes directly to the ojas and directly nourishes your fertility components. So it's a for the brain also. In Ayurveda, it is suggested that for brain growth, ghee is must. For the small kids or the infants or the babies, we advise them ghee. Okay, so now let's talk about the modern science. Modern science says that ghee you should not consume too much, but what's that? Um, yes, because of calorie or because of too much fat, too much cholesterol, for sure you should be careful about using too much of ghee or using any kind of fat which is over the board, or if you are obese, your cholesterol levels are high. What I will suggest to you is that you can cut down the bad kind of fat from your diet, but still continue ghee or a healthy kind of fat. Ghee is very, very good for your skin. Ghee is very, very good for your brain memory and intelligence. Ghee is very good for menopausal women because it works on your hormones. Ghee is very, very good for your joint health. Ghee is very good for your gut health. You must be listening too much about leaky gut, gut biome, and all those things. Ghee has butyric acid, which is very, very good for your lining of the colon, for your gut healing. So, in that is proved by medical science also. So, in Ayurveda or as a Ayurveda consultant, I will advise you to take ghee, at least 1 spoon in your whole day. You can cut down if you are having high cholesterol levels and you are not keeping your calorie or fat content in check. If you are eating too many eggs with egg yolk, you are eating too much of nuts. I mean to say, if you are already overdoing fat content, then you have to be careful. But otherwise, ghee is very good, particularly when these days everybody is talking about too much about ragi, about millets. These things can make you bloated, constipated, and dry. Ghee is very important if you are eating this kind of grains. Very, very important. So um, use it mindfully that how much fat you are taking in your day-to-day life. If you can, then you should try to remove bad kind of fat from your diet and include ghee. And ghee is not clarified butter. You understand that? Ghee is not clarified butter. Ghee is a sattvic outcome from the milk as a whole long process. How we make ghee. It's not just that we took butter and just make it warm and make ghee. That's a very quick process. In traditionally, we have a whole procedure of making ghee. You can use from A2 cows, you can use from desi cows. You can make it at home by yourself by collecting your milk cream and then putting some kind of like yogurt or some live bacterias into it with yogurt or some live yogurt you can use. And then churn it, make the butter, and slow cook on the fire. So that's how you will make ghee. If you cannot, then you can buy from the good sources where you are sure that the quality is good, the animal is not on any kind of injections. That kind of ghee is a sattvic diet and amrita you can give to small babies, infants. So that was about ghee. If for particularly for pitta people, it's very, very good because pitta people have lots of heat, aggression in the body. So many kind of oils is not suitable for them. It's very cooling. They can use it. Anybody who is suffering from constipation, they can use it empty stomach also. And these days, people are using bullet coffee, black coffee with ghee in the morning, empty stomach. You can try it and see how it is for you. If it helps you, is suitable to you, just use it. And yeah, let me know in comments how you are using it. And if you have any questions about ghee or you want to know a few more things or you want to discuss something, just let me know in the comment box and subscribe because we will be adding more information. Namaste now, and I will get back with a new video. Keep in touch.